Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to extract email addresses, URLs, and numbers with Zapier. This is incredibly useful when you need to automatically pull specific data from incoming information and organize it neatly into a spreadsheet. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to Zapier.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard where all the automation magic happens. Now, click on the Zap button to create a new automation. This will open up a fresh workspace where you can build your extraction workflow from scratch. Next, click the Trigger button. A trigger is what starts your automation, so we need to set this up first. In the search field, look for and select Webhooks by Zapier. This app allows you to receive data from external sources, which is perfect for our extraction task from the available trigger events. Choose Catch Hook, then click Continue. What this does is create a listener that waits for incoming data. You'll see a webhook URL appear on your screen. Go ahead and copy this URL as you'll need it to send data to this Zap. This URL is essentially the address where information will be delivered. Now it's time to set up the action, which is what happens after data is received. Click the Action button, then search for and select Formatter by Zapier. This is the tool that will do the heavy lifting of extracting our specific data types. Choose Text as the action event and click Continue. The formatter gives you various text manipulation options, and we're about to use one of its most powerful features. In the Transform section, you'll see a search field. Type in Extract Email Address and click on it when it appears, then click Continue. This function will automatically scan through any text and pull out email addresses. Pretty neat, right? Click Test Step to confirm that it successfully pulls the email from your sample data. You should see the extracted email appear in the results. Once you've verified it works, click Continue to move forward. Now we need somewhere to store this extracted data. Click the plus button to add another action. Then search for and select Google Sheets. This is where all your extracted information will be organized. Choose Create Spreadsheet as your action event. This will set up a new row each time data is extracted. Next, connect your Google Sheets account if you haven't already done so. Zapier will ask for permission to access your Google account, which is necessary for it to create and update spreadsheets on your behalf. After connecting, click Continue. Now comes the important part where you map your extracted data. You'll need to assign the extracted email, URL, and number fields to specific columns. For example, set column A to email, column B to URL, and column C to number. This ensures each piece of data goes exactly where you want it. Finally, test the action with your sample data to make sure everything flows correctly. Review the new row that gets created in your spreadsheet to confirm the data appears as expected. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to turn on your Zap and make it live. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automation that extracts emails, URLs, and numbers and sends them straight to a Google Sheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.